We'll guide you through how to make a hotel website with Gamma. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because creating a website with Gamma AI is fast, but not always intuitive for beginners. They want simple, step-by-step guidance to build a professional hotel website without coding, save time, and ensure the layout, content, and structure look clear, attractive, and ready to share online. First, open your web browser by clicking the Windows Start button on your computer, then select Google Chrome or any browser you use. Next, click on the search bar, type gamma.app, and press enter on your keyboard. Once the website loads, click the Start for Free button on the screen. Then, select Continue with Google and click your email to log in instantly. After entering the dashboard, move your cursor to the Create New button and click it. A menu will appear, then click Generate. In the top menu, select Web Page. Click on the text input box, then type your topic, such as Hotel Website. After that, select the number of cards based on how many pages you want. Choose your preferred language, then press Enter or click Generate Outline to continue. Wait for Gamma to generate the outline. Once it appears, delete all the outline by clicking the three dots on the left side, then click the delete icon. Next, create your hotel website outline by clicking Add Card, then type your outline. Start by typing Homepage, add a card, then type About Us on the second outline. Add another card and type Booking Page, then click Add Card again and type Location and Contact. You can add more cards as you like to complete your structure. To change the design, scroll down until you find Theme, click View More, select your preferred theme, then click Select Theme. In the Image Choice section, click one of the styles, then click Generate. Wait for Gamma to generate the content. After the content is ready, edit the hotel website template based on your preferences by adjusting text, images, and layout. Make sure each section clearly represents your hotel information so visitors can easily understand it. When you have finished all edits, click Publish at the top, then click View Site. Finally, scroll down to review your hotel website carefully to ensure everything looks correct and works properly before sharing it with others online.